What's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious bang bang chicken wings, and then we got some buffalo party wings and some blue cheese dipping sauce. Delicious recipes. Hey, come down to my workstation and let me show you how to make these absolutely delicious party wings, chicken wings, whatever kind of wings you want to call them. They delicious wings. Hey, we're gonna be in the game. Now we're gonna start off with 4 pounds of wings. We're gonna get these separated from the wing tip, the drumette, and the flat. So really simple. Hey, you just find that joint piece that goes and connects this wing and that drumette, and then you just go down like that, and then you got a separation of your drumette, and then you got your wing. Now all you got to do is come back and hit that tip of that wing, and now you got you some party style wings. Now I'm gonna clean these up like so, come back, do the rest. Hey, we're in the game. Now we got our wings. I'm gonna place these in the oven, and I'm gonna place this on 275 for about like 15 minutes or so. And I'm gonna place some salt. This is sea salt that I'm working with, and we want to salt this a little bit on the generous side. And what I want to do is I want to kind of dry these wings out so we can get a nice crispy wing that's going to be delicious, where we can toss it in those sauces that we're going to create, and we'll be in the game. So we'll do this front and back, put this in the oven, like I said, 275 degrees. Hey, we'll be in the game. Now we're going to be making some different sauces for these recipes. Now we're gonna make this bang bang sauce. Hey, I'm going in with a half a cup of mayo. Get all that mayo out, and then I'm gonna hit it with some sriracha sauce, about a tablespoon's worth. And I got me some sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna go in with about 1/4 of a cup of that sweet chili sauce. Hit it with a dash of that Dove sauce, and then a little bit of rice vinegar. Then I got me some lemon. I'm gonna squeeze me just a little bit of lemon juice, not a lot. And then we're gonna get everything mixed up, and then we'll give this right here, this bang bang sauce, a taste. This will be good for, you know what I'm saying, if you want to make some bang bang shrimp. But today we're making chicken wings, bang bang chicken, anything that you want, bang bang, you in the game. 15 minutes is up, and as you can see right here, those wings are starting to get a little bit dry. That's what we want before we place it in that oil. Yes, sir. Now we got our pot. Hey, we're gonna get this filled with oil. Get this up to about 350 degrees. Now once we got our temperature between 350 and 360, hey, we're ready to drop these wings. Now while we got those wings going, hey, we're gonna make us a nice little buffalo sauce. We're gonna go in with about a half a cup or a little bit more hot sauce. Turn up the heat a little bit. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of sriracha, and then we're gonna let everything get mixed. This is a simple buffalo sauce that we're gonna make, and I want to bring this up to a soft simmer. And once we got this to a soft simmer, I'm gonna kill my heat, and then I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter, and then we'll let that butter mix and do its thing. And then we're gonna slowly add in our cornstarch slurry, and then we'll get the mix in this. If your mixture gets a little bit thick, hey, just add a little bit more hot sauce to it. Hey, now we are in the game. All right, so nobody's gonna tell you when your wings are done, so you cook them to your preference. But if you see here, let me bring these up. Hey, these are nice and golden. Yes, sir. Hey, they look good. I already know they're gonna be crispy. So we can put that buffalo sauce on some, and then we're gonna make another batch, and then we're gonna place that bang bang sauce on it. Yes, sir. All right, so we got our chicken wings out. Hey, I got my nice and thick buffalo sauce, which is gonna be fantastic for these wings. Hey, they nice and crispy. I'm gonna save a little bit, because we're gonna come back But what we want to do, we want to get these tossed in that sauce. And look at that right there, fam. Nice, delicious. Hey, buffalo chicken wings. You in there. Gang.
We got a blast from the past. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's a blue cheese dipping sauce. Now I'm working with a little bit of mayo. I got a little bit of sour cream. Now I like my blue cheese dip on the chunky side, so you see all those blue cheese chunks. So we're gonna be working with that. And then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt, not too much, but just a pinch or two. And then we got some fresh lemon squeeze. Make sure you leave those lemon seeds out of it. And then you give it a little stir, and then all you got to do to round this recipe out is hit it with a little bit of buttermilk. And I'm gonna tell you, this is the best blue cheese that you probably would ever taste.
So we got that second batch going, and we're gonna make some bang bang chicken wings, but we got that blue cheese dipping sauce that's ready to go. Look at that right there, chunky. Yes sir, you in the game. Put this out for your guests for that game day. Hey, they'll love it. Now if you like ranch, man, you can go with ranch, but I'm a blue cheese fan. We got our buffalo wings. Hey, you just sit those out on that platter like that, and you let your fam come and they devour, hey, these buffalo chicken wings. Yes sir, you in the game, fam. Yes sir. All right, now we got our second batch coming out. Hey, nice, crispy. We're gonna place this in our bowl. Now we got that bang bang sauce, hey, that we going on top of it with. Top of these wings. Yes sir. 2 styles for your big game. And then we just get them. Hear that crisp? Hey, they crispy, fam. And there you have it. Hey, you got your bang bang chicken wings. Now we'll get these plated up. Like I said, stack them high, watch them fly with your fam in the game. And then if you like, you can take some of your extra sauce. Hey, come back, hit them again. So you got this nice presentation for your table. And then when that sauce settles in, you see that the nice color on it. Yes sir. Hey, those are looking absolutely delicious, fam. Hey fam, there you have it. You got your 2 delicious party wings. Hey, coach put me in the game, I got you in the game. Now we gonna give this one here, that bang bang chicken wing, a taste. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious, fam? Hey, cheers, man. All right, wings nice and crispy, and that sauce is on point too. Woo. Yes sir. Hey, we're gonna get that buffalo wing a taste test. Hey, yes sir. Hey, we in the game, fam. Cheers again. Yes sir, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of that blue cheese and then get us thing another taste test. Hey, that's good, fam. Absolutely delicious, fam. Now, if this is your first time visiting the channel, let me take time out and say thank you so much for stopping by, getting in the game with Coach Ike. And if you want more delicious content like this, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like, then share this video with your family and friends and tell them Coach Ike with Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. Now, for my Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, you already know your boy in the game. And I'm about to go back and call some plays and smash into these delicious chicken wings. And we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Hey, we're in the game.